Hello guys, hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video, which is on the topic how to apply and get your TCS ID card. In this video we have explained the entire process in detail, so let us begin. Now these are the steps that you must follow. The first one is you have to go on your Ultimatix page and then go to GESS portal. Then you have to upload the profile photo, and after uploading the profile photo you have to publish the photo. Now after publishing you have to get it approved by your supervisor. Now after that you have to go on Ultimatix and search MMT. So after searching that you have to click on, you will be getting three or two options. So the last option would be for ID card. You have to click on view ID card option, and after that you have to verify yourself by entering your mobile number, and you will be getting an OTP, and then you have to enter OTP and verify. Okay, so this is the 8th step. The 9th step is that if you have not already added the TMS pin code, that is the geocode, then you have to do that. The process is very simple. We are going to discuss further. Now let us move. Okay, so this is the Ultimatix homepage. You have to go on global GESS. After going there, you can click on my profile and then click on my photo. After that you will be getting this kind of page where there are two important steps that you must consider. The first one is the photo that is shown over here is the correct photo and is professional photo. Okay, then you can click on directly publish. So here there will be an option called as publish. If the photo is correct, you can click on publish. So if the photo, in many of the people's cases, the photo that is present over here is taken directly from the next step portal, which is a very old photo and it is not a professional photo. So what you can do is, if the photo is not correct, you can upload a new and publish. So you just have to go on upload photo and click and upload the photo and select the photo, and it will be uploaded. After that you have to come back into the profile photo and you have to click on publish. Now after doing that, you just have to message or email your supervisor that I have uploaded the photo, can you please approve it. So after after the approval, then you can simply go on the Ultimatix again and search for MMT, that is material movement tracker, and click on inward outward material movement tracker. So this is important. Okay, and the location is applications, finance and infrastructure, and then physical infrastructure. Okay, so you have to click on inward outward material tracker. After clicking on that, you will be getting to this kind of page. Okay, so here there will be multiple options in case. So the last option, that is for ID card, then you have to click on ID card. So I have already ordered the ID card, so it is showing ID card dispatched through vendor, that's delivery. But in your case it can be only ID card. Okay, then you have to click on view details. Then after clicking on view details, you will be seeing an option where you have to enter your mobile number and get an OTP and get it verified. After doing that, it will ask you, have you geolocated or geocoded yourself, yes or no. If it is no, then you have to do it. Okay, that is mandatory process. So what you can do is just go on your mobile, use your mobile. You can go on the UX applications that you might have already downloaded. If you do not have UX application on your phone, then you can go on Play Store and search for UX application, download it, and then go into the UX application and then search for eTMS. Okay, after searching for eTMS, you have to go on your eTMS and open the application, this application. Then you will be getting the third option called as Geocode yourself. So this, you have to click on that, and after that you have to move the location tag on the location where you stay. And the important thing is that the pin code of that area, when you move the location tag, it will show the pin code of that area. Now remember, the pin code that is mentioned in your address which is registered with TCS, it should be same with the location tag. Okay, so if example, if you are staying somewhere around 4500, so the pin code, the location tag should also be 4500. Okay, so both of them should match. This is very important. Now after doing that, you can after you geocode yourself on the eTMS application, you can wait for half an hour and again go to this inward outward material movement tracker, and then again click on ID card and view details, and then again you can verify your mobile number by sending an OTP, and then you can click on submit. After doing that, your process will be completed. You can go and track your workflow. Then everything will be like, after every approval, then you will be receiving your ID card. Now I'm going to show, this is the parcel that I received from delivery. I received it within like 4 days, and it was a very quick process. You do not have to pay. If you are seeing this 150, it is already prepaid. Okay, now this is the kind of ID card that you get. It has a string with it, and it is not attached in the parcel, but you can do it afterwards. Okay, so this is the ID card that you will be getting. So So thank you guys for watching this entire video. If you have any doubts, please ask in the comment section, and thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe.